Zip ties are more than just fasteners, they're versatile tools that can solve everyday problems and make life easier. We'll show you over 27 clever ways to use zip ties around your home, workshop, and office. Let's dive in and explore some creative solutions that will save you time, money, and effort. Take a plastic jerry can and mark the cutting line. Cut the jerry can into 2 equal parts. Connect both halves using zip ties, making holes for them beforehand with a soldering iron. Make comfortable handles from zip ties. This organizer is perfect for storing tools in your workshop. Lift one furniture part to the desired height and align both parts using a level, using a zip tie as a temporary support. Now it's convenient to drill holes and connect the workpieces together. This simple method will allow you to work accurately and without outside help. Take any liquid soap bottle. Put zip ties on the dispenser stem to create a pressing limiter. Now less soap will come out when pressed, which will help save the product. If the latch on the network cable is broken, take a zip tie. Cut off a small piece of the zip tie and insert it into the router port. Now insert the network cable, it will be securely fixed. This simple method will help restore a tight connection between the cable and router. Make a hole in the center of the plastic lid. Cut off the bottleneck and insert it into another lid, tightly connecting the parts. Thread a zip tie through the center hole, forming a loop. Put small items in the bottom part, nails, screws, or paper clips. Close the organizer with the top lid with the loop. The finished container can be conveniently hung by the loop on the wall in your workshop. To protect children from accessing dangerous items, take a zip tie. Thread the zip tie through the cabinet door handles and tighten firmly. Now the doors are securely fixed and the child won't be able to open them. To neatly cut a metal cable, secure 2 zip ties near the cutting point. Cut the cable with an angle grinder between the zip ties. After cutting, the cable end will remain even and won't fray. Take an empty wood wipes package with a plastic lid and cut off excess plastic inside it. Put zip ties inside through the flap hole. Now you have a convenient organizer from which zip ties can be easily taken one at a time. Take a stack of sticky notes and make several holes at the top. Connect all sheets with zip ties through the holes. Attach a paper clip to the top zip tie for hanging. Hang it on a hook above your desk for easy note-taking. Insert a zip tie into the belt hole instead of the lost buckle and tighten the zip tie to the desired size. Add a second zip tie in the middle. Cut off excess ends, the temporary buckle is ready. Gather the wires together and secure them with a zip tie. If you need to open the zip tie, insert the sharp tip of the zip tie from above, as shown in the video. Gently press and pull, the zip tie will easily release. Now you know how to not only secure but also neatly remove a zip tie. Got leftover zip tie pieces? Don't rush to throw them away. Secure them with screws on cabinet doors. You'll get simple and functional furniture handles. An economical solution if you need to quickly replace broken handles. Take a plastic bottle and secure one zip tie on the cap and another under the sealing ring. Connect both zip ties with a third one, creating a movable attachment. Cut off excess ends. Now the cap will always stay with the bottle, like on sports flasks. Put a bright zip tie on the drill bit, setting the desired drilling depth. Tighten the zip tie, now it will serve as a reliable limiter. This simple protection won't allow you to drill through the tabletop completely. Tired of losing the tube from spray cans? Secure a zip tie on the can body. Simply tuck the spray tube under the zip tie after use. Now the nozzle will always be at hand and won't get lost. Secure zip ties with a stapler on the desired surface. Thread the cable through the secured zip ties and tighten. This is a simple way to neatly lay wiring on any surface. Gather the cables together and secure them with one zip tie. Insert additional zip tie separators between each cable. Tighten all zip ties, now the wires are securely fastened and won't tangle. A convenient way to organize wiring without confusion. Make multiple cuts on a zip tie on both sides. Attach a second zip tie as a handle. Lower the device into the drain hole, the notches will catch hair and debris. A simple homemade tool for cleaning sink drains. Do you have many packages with various zip ties that are hard to organize? Make a small hole on the side of the package. Now you can easily take out zip ties one by one through the side hole. A convenient solution, zip ties are always at hand and don't scatter around the workshop. Attach a zip tie to a tape roll and cut the end of the zip tie at an acute angle, creating a cutting edge. Now simply catch the tape with the sharp edge of the zip tie and pull. A convenient way to tear tape without scissors. To open a zip tie, lift up the locking tab. Gently pull on the end of the zip tie, it will easily release. Now you know how to disconnect a zip tie without damaging it. No key ring? No problem. Thread a zip tie through the holes of all keys. Tighten the zip tie to the desired size and cut off the excess. A simple and reliable replacement for a metal key ring. No shower curtain rings? Use zip ties. Thread zip ties through the holes in the curtain. Wrap the free end around the curtain rod and tighten. Secure a marker to the pipe holder using 2 zip ties. Put the holder on a plastic pipe and secure it to some base using hot glue. Move the holder with the marker up and down to draw a straight line. Now I'll show you how to properly and reliably connect 2 pipes together using a zip tie. Don't rush to throw away zip tie trimmings. Collect all zip tie pieces and tie them together with one lone zip tie. Trim the ends to the same length. Pour hot glue into a plastic bottle cap. Glue the tied zip ties to the cap. You'll get a convenient mini broom for cleaning small debris from the table or hard-to-reach places. Slip 2 zip ties under a metal washer and then screw in the self-tapping screw. Run the wires through the zip ties and tighten them. Now the cables are securely and neatly attached to the surface.